What if you could escape to a cozy A-frame retreat, where modern comfort meets the beauty of nature? This stunning tiny home is designed to do just that, offering a peaceful getaway without sacrificing style or function. Let's take a tour. The A-frame design isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's also incredibly efficient. With its steeply pitched roof, snow and rain slide right off, making it a great choice for different climates. The natural wood siding and large glass windows create a beautiful harmony with the outdoors, allowing plenty of natural light to flood the space. As we step onto the front deck, you'll notice the inviting outdoor space, perfect for morning coffee or a peaceful evening surrounded by nature. The minimalist railing adds a modern touch while keeping the focus on the breathtaking views. Now let's step inside. The open-concept living area feels surprisingly spacious, thanks to the high ceilings and strategically placed windows. The warm wooden tones give the space a cozy, cabin-like feel, while the modern lighting and furnishings add a contemporary touch. Moving to the kitchen, we find a well-designed compact space featuring sleek countertops, efficient storage, and all the essentials for cooking. Every inch is optimized for functionality, making it easy to prepare meals despite the home's small footprint. Up the ladder, we reach the lofted sleeping area, a cozy and comfortable retreat. The A-frame structure creates a unique, intimate atmosphere, while the windows above offer a stunning view of the stars at night. Even in a tiny home, comfort is key. The bathroom is thoughtfully designed with a modern sink, shower, and stylish fixtures. It's proof that small spaces can still offer big convenience. This tiny A-frame house is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle, a place to slow down, connect with nature, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a full-time downsized living experience, this stunning retreat proves that small can indeed be spectacular. Thanks for joining us on this tour. If you love tiny house living and want to see more amazing designs, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home tours. See you next time.